G'day guys, how you going? It's another day, another dollar. That's what I reckon. Now I'm on the way to start a job. It's a single story house, 177 square meters.
Brushing bare timber has the same effect as rolling bare plasterboard. You're mixing all the fibres in when you're brushing, all the bits of dust and stuff that you can't see. It's all been mixed in with the paint, and then that can then get sanded, and then you have a better surface to put your top coats on.